I've got a guaranteed formula to find more low students at your school. Guaranteed. Here's how it works. Lean in close. Form more low groups and you will find the students to fill them. I guarantee it. I don't care what school you're at. I don't care how high performing, low performing you are, anywhere in the middle. If you create more low groups, you will find students to fill them. And know that the converse is true. If you want to create more students working at higher levels, then create more opportunities for them to work at higher levels. When people ask me for the formula for cutting out low groups, you have to cut them. Just cut them. And students will grow and rise to the new expectation. Start with the crown.